Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, please do subscribe. If we need a shapefile, we will go to some external sources like Survey of India or Diva.gis and then we will download the shapefile. But after watching this video, you can extract the shapefile of the world map from QGIS itself. Yes, we can generate a world map shapefile using QGIS after watching this video. First of all, to begin with, open QGIS and create a new empty project. And this is the working space. We have a browser panel over here and a layer panel over here. At the bottom you can find here an option called coordinates. Just click on the values and delete the values of the coordinates. Instead of the values, just type world and click enter. You can find here a layer has been formed. Right click on this layer, world map layer, and you can see here the path where it has been saved. During the installation of QGIS itself, this world map geo package has been saved along with the installation process. If we click on the path, you can see where it has been saved in your desktop. Now click OK. Now we need to convert this geo package into a shapefile. So I am just clicking on export and saving this geo package into a shapefile layer. For that I am just creating a destination folder. I am naming it as world map and naming the file as world map shapefile and click save. Click OK. Now a newly formed shapefile layer has been displayed on the layers panel. Right click and open the attribute table. We can see a number of fields over here. And we need this name of the country, which is the most important out of all the fields. We can see the list of country names in this attribute table. Now we are going to the properties of this layer and making the country's name visible on the screen by just clicking on labels and clicking on single label. And the value is name. Click apply OK. Now you can find here the country names are displayed on the working space. I will just revert it back to its previous position where there won't be any labels. Click on no labels and click apply OK. This is how we can able to import a shapefile. Now if I need a particular country alone, for example I need this Australia and then the countries surrounding the Australia like Indonesia, I can select these countries and export these countries alone. Just export and save selected feature. Instead of saving all the features, I am just saving the selected features and naming the file as Australia and neighbors. Click save and saving it as a shapefile format, the same coordinate reference system. Now you can able to see here that the Australia alone I have exported into a new shapefile. You can right click on the open attribute table and you can see here the name of the country as Indonesia, Australia and the New Guinea. These countries are being exported as a separate shapefile. Now go to labels and make the countries visible on the screen by making these changes. Yes, we can able to find the country names over here. So this is how we can able to create a new shapefile based upon the countries. We have other option. Now I am removing this layer. Now for example, I need India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka, these countries alone. I need to extract the shapefile of these three countries. For doing that, I am just going to this open attribute table. First of all, I will click on this world map shapefile and then right click and go to open attribute table. I am searching for the country names. I have selected India and Pakistan. I am selecting this Pakistan as well as Sri Lanka. By scrolling down, I can able to visualize the name of the countries. So I have selected three countries, namely India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. If I close this and if I look at the screen, you can able to see these three countries are highlighted. Now I am going back to the export option and save selected feature as. I am naming this file as Asian countries. And click OK. Now we can able to see a new layer has been formed as Asian countries. I have just selected three countries, India, Pakistan and Sri Lanka. I'm clicking on the properties and making these labels visible. By clicking apply OK, you can able to see here the name of the countries are displayed on the working space. Now if we go to the file, we can able to see here that the exported shapefiles has been saved in the respective folders. Two shapefiles we have saved and exported, Australia and neighbors, and then world map shapefile. See, the 6 files represents Australia and neighbors. Files represents the world map shapefile. Thus, we have successfully generated a world map shapefile with the help of QGIS itself. I hope you got some idea about generating shapefiles from QGIS. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video.